Ever wanted to create your own unique emoji directly on your iPhone? First, open Settings app on your device to begin. Then find General section, click on it, and scroll down to find section Language and Region. So, crucial moment, if you're located outside the USA, you may need to set USA address to access this feature. Click on Region and set United States. Now go back in the main settings and find Apple Intelligence and Siri tab. And make sure to turn on Apple Intelligence so it's fully activated. Then launch the Messages app on your device when you're ready to test it out. Tap the emoji icon located in the keyboard's bottom left corner. Then choose the Emoji icon, which looks like a little rainbow guy. Let your imagination run wild. Type your creative idea in the text box. Then click Go button on your keyboard and wait a few seconds till you can see AI suggested options. Browse through the various generated emoji options and pick one you like. Simply tap the chosen emoji to insert it directly into your message. And to send this message, click on the little arrow. That's it. Hit subscribe for more helpful tips.